Good morning, everyone. Greetings and salutations to all of my friends and family all over the world. Welcome back to another exciting video. This is the 100th video I'll be posting on my YouTube channel. So as you all know, we've all been pretty quarantined for the past couple weeks, and I've been trying to keep everything kind of interesting and coming up with new challenges. Because of the quarantine, I had to kind of cancel my 24-hour challenge at the abandoned water park. And that kind of stinks because I was kind of planning that for a week from now in April sometime. But the weather hasn't been good, first of all, and of course the quarantine. So seeing as this is my 100th video on YouTube, I didn't really want to make it something just small, talking to you guys. I wanted to make it something extraordinary. So we've been online looking at a few different video ideas. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut this video into two parts. It's either going to be one long video with two separate parts, like a 10-minute video, or two separate 5-minute videos. I'm not sure yet. The first thing I found was this thing called a Snackcrate. What they do is they find all these different treats and snacks from all over the globe, like Poland and Greece and Hawaii, and they mix and match it into a random box and they send it to you. I did not get the Snackcrate. I went on Amazon and found this thing called the Worldwide Treats Crate, and they kind of do the same exact thing, but I like shipping through Amazon because I could trust Amazon and I get the Amazon affiliates. So that's what I did. We found Worldwide Treats. We got a big box. It got delivered yesterday, so we're going to go back to the house, and that's going to be the first part of the video. The second part of the video, I found this little science kit that allows you to build these little robots, different kinds of robots, ones that swim, ones that roll, and they all run off solar panels, so there's no batteries included. So we're going to be building those. I'm going to do like a montage of that, and that's going to be fun too. I do want to take the time to thank every single person who has helped my channel hit 230 subscribers. We are 20 subscribers away from actually climbing up the Hollywood Mountain. I told you guys that at 250 subscribers we would climb the Hollywood Mountain, so we're 20 away. Help us get to 250 subscribers. If you don't know what Hollywood Mountain is, I'm not sure if you can really see it from here. I can, but it's that mountain. Let's see. Right there, way in the distance right there. We've been to the bottom of it. There's a graffiti mound right at the bottom of it, and we've been to that. You can check that video up above right there. But we're gonna climb all the way to the very tippy top of it one of these days before it gets way too hot out to do. So yeah, I'm headed back to the house right now. We'll get this video started, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, what's up everybody? I made it home. First off, if you don't know who I am, my name is Mosh, and this is my roommate, my best friend, my business partner, D. That's Nina on the ground right there, chilling. We made it back home. As I said, this video is probably going to be cut into two parts, but the first part we're going to get to right away. It's a Worldwide Treat box, as you can see. Everything's right here. That's the box. D, actually, that box got delivered yesterday, and D thought it was some PLA plastic for the 3D printer, so we cut it open, and he was like, oh shit, it's the treats. So we're going to open it and see what's inside there and enjoy some treats real quick. And then we'll get working on this robot right here. It's a solo robot creation kit by Discovery, Mind Blown, whatever. Yeah, Discovery Channel, I guess they're affiliated with. But yeah, we're going to open this box up and enjoy some treats. First, you guys gotta see this badass Sonic that D is working on. Look at it. So cool. Hey D, you're gonna enjoy some of these treats with me, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna open the box and see what's in there. As I said, it's from Worldwide Treats, and it's supposed to be a whole bunch of random treats from all over the world, from maybe Greece or Italy or Hawaii, I'm not really sure. But we're gonna open it up, see what's in there, and yeah. Okay, here it is, guys. As you can see, he broke the tape earlier yesterday, but we're going to pop this thing open and see what's inside here. Cool stuff happening. Okay, there's a thank you letter. Well, hello there. We are WorldwideTreats.com, a small family-run company proudly owned and operated right here in Chicago, Illinois. I mean, we're in Las Vegas, though. If you order this snack box, enjoy. If not, then someone sent it to you as a gift, so enjoy. And just as a reminder, our snack mixes make really fun gifts for birthdays, family night, movie night, corporate events, and blah, 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 blah. Anyway, yeah, okay, what are we looking at first? Look at all this cool stuff. Look at this neat looking stuff in here. Let's see. The first thing I pull out is lemon wafer bars by Dolcetti Petites. It doesn't really say where any of this stuff is from, but that looks really good. Lemon wafer bites, no high fructose corn syrup. Yeah. Check that out, D. I'm just gonna pass you as I open it. Choco Smoky. Classic Choco Crunchy. I don't know, those look kind of like peanuts. Or like malt balls. Peanut shaped malt balls. That's interesting. Crostatine Frutti di Bosco. God, I'm gonna have a hard time saying any of these words. Gaston Lago. God, man, that sounds like French or Italian or something like that. Yeah, haha. Ready? Olives, natural green pitted olives, lemon and rosemary, a whole lot of love. I hate olives, by the way, but these, yeah, you can have those. Enjoy. I'm trying to pull out small stuff. I know. Look at that. You gotta try one. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to see you try one. Look at, maybe it's on the back somewhere where it says. Does it say anywhere? Oh, you can't read. You can't read. Says direct imported in Washington by Direct Brand Distributors, 26 Glassford Road, Coaldale, Washington. Wait, hold on, there it is. Packed in Morocco for Olives Ltd, High Street, Storeham, something UK, United Kingdom. Yeah, okay. Morocco. Okay, this is the next one. It's Prima, Kikariki, Posno. They look like pretzel sticks. 28. Yeah, they gotta be like something with peanut or pretzel sticks or something. Next one coming out. Choco Frita. It's a milk chocolate covered wafer bar type looking thing. Yeah. Neat. Oh, this is, oh my god. I've seen this online. This shit, I was like, oh my god, I hope they don't send me the banana. Is it Bananco? It's supposed to be like a chocolate covered banana, or maybe? I'm thinking that's what it is. Or just maybe they just packaged a banana. They sent us some little candies too. This is like a pineapple candy called an yeah, that's a pineapple candy. These are little. This is a peach candy. These are this is a cherry damla. This is a green apple damla. This is a strawberry damla. Oh, this is another one of those pineapple from Lithuania. Yeah.
I was never in Lithuania.
Lithuania candy. Next is this looks quite cool. This is original Goralki Kokosawi. That sounds Japanese. It looks coconut, like a coconut wafer bar. Curry green chutney style. I assume these are like made with dal, corn, and rice, like mixed. Dewberry, blueberries and cream, little wafer cookies by Jack and Jill. Yeah, it's quite cool. And now this is the last thing I'm pulling out. The Galan chalk wafer cookies, 0 grams trans fat. I've never seen anything with that on it. Chocolate. That's cool. From SA, Spain. Something. As you can see, that's all of it, guys. Which one do you want to try out first?
Me?
Yeah, which one are you gonna open first?
You're the guinea pig. Yeah. You try.
Okay, so you pick one for me to try out. I'll close my eyes right here. Look, my eyes are closed. Look, check it out.
Yeah, sure.
They're closed.
Try this.
Oh, the curry. Okay, do you pick the curry green chutney style, whatever they are? Where are these from? Marketed by PepsiCo, India.
India.
It's going to be hard to sell open because it's from India. There we go. No, that wasn't hard at all. Oh god. I'm going to eat like a bunch of them at a time. That way I'm not a punk.
Well.
stick in like 5 onion rings. Really spicy onion rings. It's really spicy.
Really? I want to try one.
Oh, I ate like 4.
No.
Garlic cream. It's
Ah.
like garlic and onion powder. I don't really like that taste. These are the ingredients: rice meal, edible oil, cornmeal, gram meal, spices and condiments, chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, tamarind powder, which I assume is cow poop, dry mango powder, fennel powder, parsley leaf powder, spices extract, salt, sugar. So it's just salt, garlic. Oh my god. Oh, it doesn't go. It doesn't stop.
It doesn't
It's still
stop.
burning.
That's still an aftertaste.
Yeah, this is from India. That's from India, guys, and it's really spicy. It's like curry and corn and spices and oil.
Yeah,
The rest look pretty good, though. I mean, everything. We'll try these.
Sure.
This looks different. Choco smoky, classic choco crunchy. They're like peanut. It looks to me like peanut shaped like malt balls, but let's see. They're light. Oh, they are. They're like really airy malt balls shaped like peanuts. You definitely gotta try one here. That's really good. It kind of numbs down the Indian curry. It's like, okay, yeah, I could deal with that compared to that. And where's this from? Let's see.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm scared now. I'm really scared.
No, you gotta pick another one. I want you to try the olives or the banana. Lemon wafer bars? Just rip it like a normal person.
Like a normal person? Yeah, I'll be on film going.
Look at that Sonic he's drawing, guys. Look. By the way, that movie was amazing. I highly recommend it, and you should go check it out.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Lemon Wafers by Dolcetto Petites. We'll find out where they're from in a minute. It's interesting. Does it hit you with lemon flavor suddenly? It's just like all lemon, like straight up in your face.
Lemon, yeah. Like a sweet lemon, crunchy lemon.
They are pretty good, guys. They're from
France.
France.
Ah, I knew it.
Oh no, I didn't read that. I thought you were saying that.
Oh, what an ass.
Yeah, let's just say France, guys. I can't read nothing. Rancho. A lot of them look like normal treats. I mean, they're self-explanatory, and this is a chocolate wafer bar. These are some pineapple. Open one of those. I'll open the other one. There's 2 of them. These are called the ananasses. If you could say that word, yeah, go ahead. Try to say that word. I dare you. Oh, it's like chocolate wafer bar. This probably tastes like pineapples. Tastes like pineapples?
It's actually kind of good.
Oh! I hate tasting pineapple. I hate pineapples suddenly. I never knew that.
The picture is a pineapple.
I know, but how often does a guy eat pineapple? How often does one eat? When's the last time you ate pineapple? And I was like, oh, I hate pineapples.
Well, it's probably been a year or so.
Now we know. The rest of the stuff, banana co. I kind of want to see what that looks like. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like bananas. Put these in a sea. Check out the banana. Is it chocolate flavored banana? Chocolate flavored banana?
A banana. Or something that resembles a banana. Chocolate falls on my floor. Well, here it goes. I had this before.
It tastes like a banana?
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate?
Chocolate-covered banana.
From Bananco. Look, Nina. It's a snack party. Yeah. He's gonna try the olives.
They're kind of smushy in there.
Yeah.
I feel like my testicles, really.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, a little bigger than this.
While you're trying that, I'm gonna try one of these things. Which one should I try? Strawberry?
Oh, don't touch my
I'll eat the cherry one. I'll eat this cherry one. It's like one of these little tiny candies.
Okay.
He's gonna eat olive. Ugh. Oh, looking nasty. Ugh. Just regular olives look nasty. Smash like if you like olives. Smash like if you don't like olives. Tastes like olive.
Yeah, but with a minty
Lemon and rosemary.
Minty, is it rosemary?
Lemon and rosemary, that's what it says.
That's what it is.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's sick. Never. Why would you? Why would you ever eat that? Why would you make that type of thing? Why would you bring that into this planet? You're evil.
Oh boy.
Gross. I'm surprised you put that in your mouth. I'd rather eat butt. I'd rather eat butt than eat one of those.
Oh, so funny. You know, our candy has sugar in it.
High fructose corn syrup.
Yeah, baby.
High fructose corn syrup.
Straight.
Good. Sugar, salt, high fructose corn syrup. It's our God-given right. High fructose corn syrup.
Yeah. If I'm gonna die, it's gonna be on my terms.
What are you trying now? What is that?
I don't know, but I'm sure it doesn't have high fructose corn
Choco
syrup.
frito. Alright, that looks good.
Another wafer, chocolate.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Really chocolatey. Really good chocolate. Last thing, it's a Lego croissant design. It's a Lego croissantine. Mixed blueberry, or berry, mixed berry thingamabobber.
Well, this was very interesting.
Thank you guys for sitting in there. If you did like the video, make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Tell me which one you guys which looked the best to you.
Yeah, that looks really cool. Look at that.
Yeah, that's neat.
Like, I want to hang it up.
It's like sacred geometry.
Yeah, I want to hang it up on the wall. Like, it's like a ninja star almost.
Oh,
Sure.
take a picture. Oh wait, it's on camera.
Have a bite.
Try it out, guys. There you go. Yeah, a little taste. Yeah.
Okay, here we go, Steven.
I trust you, man. I know you don't have COVID.
Break it.
No, you can do it.
Break it.
Break it.
No, break it. Break bread, baby. Break bread.
Yeah, that's how we do it, guys. What do you want, dog? You can't have none of
There
this.
it goes.
Down the old hatch. I don't like cookies with the gummy substance.
Gummy substance. No flavor in the cookie at all.
Yeah, no, the cookie sucks. And then you got the
Cookie's
jelly.
dead. It's like dead.
It's like eating gelatin on a piece of bread biscuit.
You know, all these people with all these rules about everything. Okay, global warming, understandable. All that good stuff. Sugar, back off, okay? That's mine.
Leave our sugar alone. High fructose corn syrup. Team high fructose. Yeah, Monsanto. Yeah, Monsanto. I'm going down. I'm getting demonetized right here. You have to be monetized to demonetize. Anyway, we're going to enjoy some more. I hope you guys enjoyed this little section of the video. Like I said, I'll probably cut this into one big video or two separate videos because I'm going to do the robot next. We're going to get into building the robot next. I'm going to clean up here a little bit. I hope I'm not a mess looking. D's awesome. Thank you guys for sticking around. Like I said, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and stick with us as I get into the solar robot thing. See you guys in a little bit.